I walk in and I'm like, oh, she's gonna hate me.
Kara and I are short. Heels are a
woman's best friend when you're doing decorations,
They
right?
are, because when you don't have a ladder, heels are the next best thing. We're gonna put this board up extremely high on the wall, and we're on our tiptoes.
They're thinking they're doing a great job. Little did they know it had a little bit of a little gangster lean. I asked her, I said, Shayla, how much do you love me? She's like, why? And she's all putting up little things, and I'm like, it's crooked.
You need people like Angie in the world to tell you these things. And we took the board up on the wall and to the side.
You had a little higher, you had a higher vision than Kara. You know, that's what happened.
And fortunately, Angie was around to channel our vision and help us get that vision back on track. We didn't want everyone walking into the conference room with their head turned to the side, trying to figure out, oh, that's cute. So we decided to go ahead and remedy that.
Their heart was in the right place, so it ended up coming out great.
Our poster board was not, but our heart indeed.
Everybody has their strong qualities.
We have something for everyone who wants to get involved.
For sure.
The conference room
is your typical conference room.
Not a lot of color in there.
The long table, bunch of seats.
We decided to jazz it up a little bit.
A little bit. WNCT is built with different departments. We have weather,
more coming up
sports,
in our nightlife in just a bit.
Of course, the newsroom. At the end of the day, we're all a team.
The whole purpose of this board was to add a little bit of color to the conference room, but to also celebrate our team pride. To do that, I decided to spell out a few things, laid out a design. I even took a football from a dollar store, cut the football in half, and attached the football to the canvas. Then we've got flowers, we've got party bows, we have all kinds of things attached to various surfaces. The whole goal is to create a sort of mixed media wall art piece that celebrates everything that makes our team so special.
We were like a little family. Everybody was working together.
It just kind of makes work feel a little bit more like home.
Homey.
Yeah.
I agree. I don't want to get in your way. It's a news team. We're a unit. New Year's here.
And Kieran, are you ready?
All ready.
So we're getting in gear.
Sam, are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Here at WNCT. We work together.
Let's start with 10 minutes to go down from there.
I think the board definitely reflects that.
Thank you for watching this episode of Let's Craft. I'm Shayla Reaves.
And I'm Angie Quezada.